In this lesson, we will deal with the pitch controls, including the control columns, pitch field control panel, pitch trim levers, rocking levers, and pitch trim wheels. We will now look at the locations of these controls. Select each of the controls in turn to find out where it's located. These are the locations of the flight controls for pitch. Pitch control is achieved by moving two elevators through a mechanical linkage via the control columns. The elevators, powered by three hydraulic systems, are hinged on the trimmable horizontal stabilizer, stab. During normal operation, the elevators move together. If, however, an elevator jams during takeoff, an uncoupling unit in the mechanical linkage allows limited movement of the unaffected elevator by one or both pilots. This uncoupling unit locks at high speed to prevent accidental asymmetrical deflection of the elevators during flight. The stabilizer provides pitch trim and, unlike the elevators, is powered by two independent hydraulic systems as shown on the ECAM. This independent control provides maximum safety in the pitch axis. If the elevator control linkage jams in flight, pitch control can still be provided by the stabilizer. Artificial pitch field is provided by one of two independent systems which are controlled by two pitch field push buttons. Switch both push buttons on to activate the pitch field system. When selected on, the related system is engaged. Both may be engaged at the same time, but only one will be operating. If a system fails, or you switch one off, it's automatically disengaged and the other one takes over. Pitch trim can be achieved electrically or mechanically. The electrical pitch trim is controlled by one of two systems which are activated by the pitch trim levers and the rocking levers. Latch both levers to activate the electrical pitch trim systems. These are the pitch trim levers. Select one now. With at least one pitch trim system engaged and the autopilot off, or in control wheel steering CWS mode, you can use the rocking levers to control electrical pitch trim. Chapter 22, Auto Flight. The rocking levers are spring-loaded to the neutral position. Move the rocking lever to the down position and monitor the stabilizer on the ECAM. This is the rocking lever down position. Select it now. When the aircraft is trimmed, the load on the control column disappears and the pilot workload is reduced. If a rocking lever is moved and held for more than 1 second, an oral warning called the wooler is activated. If the pilot flying, PF, and the pilot non-flying, PNF, move their rocking levers at the same time, in opposite directions, the trimming stops. If a pitch trim system fails, or is selected off, the related pitch trim system is disengaged, and the other one takes over. If the stabilizer reaches the mechanical stop, both pitch trim systems will disengage. If both trip and will not reset, the mechanical pitch trim wheel should be used for trimming. The pitch trim wheels provide a mechanical control for trimming. The stabilizer trim position is indicated on the ECAM and on a scale next to each trim wheel. The green band indicates the normal range for takeoff. Select the pitch trim wheels to move the stabilizer. If a pitch trim wheel is used with the electrical pitch trim system engaged, the pitch trim levers trip to off, disengaging the electrical systems. The mechanical wheel should be used to disengage the electrical systems if there's an electrical pitch trim runaway.